Wow, who enjoyed this beautiful commercial like me? Oh my goodness, can't you see how beautiful, sharp, and tantalizing it looks? But do you know the good part about this advert? You can actually use it to advertise your business too. Yes, your business. You can see all these adverts on my screen. They use the same process that I'm going to teach you, and is free. That is the good thing about it. With this kind of adverts, um, clients will be coming, they will be coming, they will be knocking on your door, they will be glued to your page. Okay, so please watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you the free app you can use to do it and the process, and I'm going to be taking it step by step. So yeah, by the way, my name is Mimi. Like I always say, I'm always here to bring to you free updates. Okay, so you can actually do this by yourself with your cell phone. Yes, you can use your cell phone to do it. You don't even need a laptop to do this type of beautiful setting. And one good thing about this setting, like I said before, you can use it for your business. You can use it to attract people to your page. You can use it to advertise what you do. So I'm going to be taking it step by step. I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. I'm going to be teaching you how I was able to do this beautiful commercial. Okay, so before then, please, if you don't subscribe to this my channel, please do, because on this channel I bring only free updates and accessible updates that you can do with your phone at home. Okay, so let's go.
So I went to ChatGPT. I told it, write a premium ultra cinematic aid standard AI image prompt for fast food advertisements like pizza, crispy fries, burger, etc. Please act as the director, be professional. Each prompt must be tailored with specific product commercials. I went ahead to tell it how I wanted the quality of my product to be. Okay, you can see he brought out everything. He arranged it the way I wanted it. So this is it. It arranged everything for me. But if you have the pictures of your business or the food, you can take a picture of your food instead. And you can still tell ChatGPT to help you to rebrand it, change the background and all that with good lighting and quality camera. Okay, I will still teach that again in another section. For me, the prompts were just looking too long, so I just asked ChatGPT to make the prompt short for me so it can be easy for Flow to understand. So we'll be using Flow AI, okay? So it already made it short for me. I went ahead to go and copy my prompt and pasted it on Flow. You can see my image is generating. Okay, now you see my image, that is the pixel. Then we'll go to 1K original size and download it. We'll do the second one like that too. We'll copy the prompts, paste it on Flow AI. We set the image how we want it to be. Don't forget to put 1x. Then that's it. So this is the result. This is our burger. So you go ahead and save the image. Then you hold the image tight. You will see where they wrote add prompt. You do the same thing. You go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, you paste it here. Then you set your video ingredients. Because I want it to be portrait, I selected portrait, and because I wanted the image to be just one, that's why I selected 1x. Okay, now see our video is generating. Okay, see the result.
Was it not easy? Yeah, I know it's easy. So if you have any question about this commercial or the steps that I shared, there's something you didn't understand, there's something you want to ask me, please don't forget to put it down on the comment section. I'll be interacting with everyone on the comment section, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and so that you can be getting every update I post on this my channel.